Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we'll solve the examples of exercise 3.3 Understanding Quadrilaterals. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, we'll continue with the question number 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measures. Okay, this is the answer. So we have a quadrilateral 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides. It is quadrilateral and which is not a parallelogram. This is not a parallelogram but has two opposite angles equal. This angle is equal to this angle. We name it as A, B, C, D. B is opposite to D. This is 100 and this one is also 100. This is the rough figure of a quadrilateral in which opposite angles are equal. And this is the solution. Question number 5. The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay, this is the figure. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram and adjacent angles are given are in the ratio of 3:2. We don't know the angles, measures of angles, but they are in the ratio of 3:2. So this is 3x and this one is 2x. And we have the property for adjacent angles is sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. Okay, so 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. Adjacent angles. Okay, now 3x plus 2x is 5x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 5 and 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. Again we have 3 0 30, 5 6 are 30. So we have x value 36. So we have to find out one angle is angle A becomes 3 into 36 is 3x, which is equal to 3 into 36 is 108 degree, and another angle is angle B is 2x, means 2 into x value is 36 is equal to 72 degrees. So angle A becomes 108 degree and angle B becomes 72 degree, and this is the solution. Question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay. Given is adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Means adjacent angles are equal. So let each angle measures adjacent angle measures x. Okay, we don't know the adjacent angle value, so let it be x. So now we have x plus x is equal to 180 degree because sum of adjacent angles is angles. Okay, list down all the properties of a parallelogram, then only this exercise becomes easier for you. The last video of this chapter, I will give you the list of all properties of parallelogram. Okay. Now x plus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 2. So this is 90 degree. So x value is 90 degree. Find the measure of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay. Each adjacent angles measures 90 degree. So when adjacent angles are 90 degree, their opposite angles also 90 degree. Therefore, measure of the angles of the parallelogram are are 90 degrees. Okay. Each angle measures 90 degree. And this is the solution. Question number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures X, Y and Z. State the properties you use to find them. Which property we use to find out these values? Okay, let's start. This is the given figure. Okay, now we have angle HOP plus 70. Angle HOP plus this 70 degree is equal to how much? 180. Property we use for it is linear angles. Sum of linear angles is 180 degree. So angle HOP is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. This angle becomes 110 degree. As it is 110 degree, this one also becomes 110 because opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle HEP, this angle is equal to angle HOP. HOP is equal to 110 degree. Property we use is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So x is equal to 110 degree. Now angle EHP. Observe here, EHP means this angle. Angle EHP is equal to angle HPO. Angle HPO is equal to 40 because alternate angles. As it is 40, this one also becomes 40. EP and HO are parallel lines. Okay, when we draw a diagonal, we will get these alternate angles. Okay, this angle is alternate to this angle and this angle is alternate to this angle. Okay, I hope you all understood. So angle HPO becomes 40 degree, which means y is equal to 40 degree. Now this angle PO we call it as A. Okay, angle POA is 70 degree. So angle POA is equal to angle EHO, because corresponding angles. Angle EHO, which is equal to angle POA value is 70 degrees. Therefore angle EHO becomes 70 degree. Angle EHO is 40 plus Z. 40 plus Z is equal to 70. Therefore Z is equal to 70 minus 40. Okay, 70 minus 40 is 30 degree. Hence X is equal to 110 degree, Y is equal to 40 degree, and Z is equal to 30 degree. Corresponding angles. Okay, these are all properties we used to find out X, Y and Z value. Okay guys, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. See you in the next video, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of all my classes.